Boker Tov or good morning. Did you eat your breakfast today? If not, come on, come with me. Let's have some breakfast today. Then I started using this one yesterday and then until now, I'm still using it. And wala na akong ibang kilalang palaman after. Ito na lang. Siya na lang. I have here bagel. So I'm just gonna put here like this. Just put the Nutella on the bagel. And then, thank you, Lord, eat. Another one. Mga TikToker na nasasarapan sa food, di ba? Eat your breakfast, okay? And take care of yourself. Bye!